Hey guys, it's Kurlina. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a pumpkin out of rice paper. After I posted this video on my social media, a lot of you guys have been asking me for a tutorial, so here it is. Not gonna lie, this took me 3 days to make and it looks so much better than the first one. I made a couple adjustments so that it looks more like a pumpkin. Okay, let's get started. First off, let's go over the things you'll need. You'll need 2 balls of the same size, rice paper, rice noodles if you want to add vines, water, a palette link film, a paintbrush, and also a pair of scissors. Firstly, I'm going to wrap a ball in cling film. Then I'm using more cling film to make up for the uneven dome. If you have balls that have a more dome bottom, you can skip this step. If you're new to my channel, welcome, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I post new videos every Monday. Once I was happy with the dome shape, I covered the ball with another layer of cling film. If I were to add color to paint the rice paper, here's how I would do it. Add some water in the palette and mix in the gel food color. But since I'm doing mine gold, I'm not adding any coloring in the water. Then I'm using my paintbrush to brush the water all over the rice paper. You could also do the soaking method if you prefer. I just find it easier to control the amount of water that I put onto the rice paper. Once the water has been absorbed into the rice paper, I'm placing it onto the bowl and press firmly to ensure it forms the shape of a ball. Then I'm placing halves of rice paper onto the first rice paper I placed, and I'm ensuring it forms those pleats before adding them onto the bowl. To make those pleats, I'm stretching the rice papers on the two ends. If there are any excess rice paper, just use a pair of scissors to cut them off. You can keep adding as many rice paper halves as you want until you're happy with the shape. And I did the same with the other bowl. To make the stem, I hydrated 2 rice papers and I'm rolling the first one. Then I'm rolling it into the other and I'm pressing and shaping it into a stem. Before allowing the stem to dry, I inserted a toothpick at the bottom. Once the pumpkin halves were fully dried the next day, it's time to unmold them. I'm unmolding them very carefully. I'm using some royal icing of stiff consistency to stick the stem to one half of a pumpkin. I'm using the other half to hold the stem in place until it dries. This took about 1 hour. Once the royal icing is dried, I'm removing the top half and I'm going to pop some more royal icing to stick it. I place the pumpkin in a bowl and I pipe some more royal icing on the stem part to secure the stem in place. Once the pumpkin is fully dried, I'm going to add more rice paper on its two sides. I'm doing the same method using half rice paper and doing pleat. When there is excess rice paper, I'm just using a pair of scissors to snip them off. Then I use some royal icing to stick the rice paper. Once I covered the two sides, I'm allowing the pumpkin to dry overnight. Once the whole pumpkin is dried, it's finally time to paint it gold. I'm rubbing some vegetable shortening all over it using my fingers. I'm also using a paintbrush to get into those nooks and crannies. I'm then brushing the whole pumpkin with some gold luster dust. I didn't add leaves or vines on mine because I feel it looks so glam already. If you want to add leaves, I have a friend, Chara, on Instagram who has an amazing tutorial on how to make leaves. which I will link in the description box below. If you were to add vines to the pumpkin, just soak the rice noodle in water for 15 minutes, then stick it onto your pumpkin with some royal icing. And there you have it, how to make a 3D pumpkin out of rice paper. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, spread the cake love.